Now, to talk about what you should do to keep yourself and your family safe when using those space heaters is Deputy Chief David Dorita with Palm Beach Gardens Fire Rescue. Thank you so much for being here. We appreciate your time this morning. Now, you brought some alarming statistics to share with us. Go ahead and tell us what some of those are.
Well, the space heaters, portable or stationary, they attribute to 33% of home heating fires. So that's a high rate when you don't have a lot of fires to begin with.
Yeah. And any other numbers on there that stand out to you as fire safety?
Yeah, there's 50% of the heating fires happen in these months right now. So the December, January, February, and we're on the tail end of it, but we're getting that colder weather, so it fits right in.
Yeah. Anything else on there that stands out to you?
Yeah, we have 53% of the deaths for home heating fires are attributed to the space heater, so that's a very high rate of fire fatality.
Wow. Yeah, absolutely. And talk about why space heaters are more of a problem here in Florida than, say, up north, where many northerners use space heaters, but we don't tend to use them as often in Florida.
That's part of the problem. We only use them maybe a total of 1 week out of the year, and then we take them and store them. So our space heaters may last us 20, 25 years. Well, they're older space heaters, and some of them don't have the safety equipment built in. New space heaters have a tip-over protection, so if they get knocked over, they'll actually shut off. The older space heaters don't, so it's a big problem.
So what's the best advice you have for someone who is considering using a space heater this week?
Best advice, if you're going to use a space heater, don't put it on carpet next to anything that's flammable. Bedding, if you're going to use it in your bedroom, don't put it right up near the bed. Don't put it next to any furniture. Most of the carpeting and bedding is made with petroleum product, believe it or not, so it's highly flammable.
Oh. Now, is there a safer alternative other than a space heater?
Safest alternative, a lot of the homes in Florida, since we have central air, also have the heating element built in. Use your home heating system instead of trying to use a portable. And the cheapest remedy is dress appropriately, even in your home.
Throw on sweatpants, sweatshirt.
Little extra clothing will go a long way.
A few extra layers.
Yep,
better
than a space heater.
Absolutely, and of course better than, God forbid, somebody's home catching fire.
Yes.
Thank you so much, David, for being
welcome.
here. We appreciate your time. We're going to send it over to Aaron now.